Hey everybody, it's Matt Collins with the Matt C Group and eXp Realty. Today I wanted to talk about a very common question that I'm getting from my sellers. Should we update the home before we list? The short answer, take care of the easy projects, yes. Right, so we want to do some of the basic things, obviously, landscaping, make sure the house is clean, make sure that it's all picked up. The phrase I use with my clients is declutter, declutter, declutter. The cleaner the house, the more open it shows, the more airy it is, the more inviting the house becomes. Do you tackle big projects like should I update the bathrooms or should I remodel the kitchen? I'm generally the one to say no, and the reason why is just as soon as you update that kitchen to brand new granite countertops, the potential buyer is going to come through and they're going to want to see onyx, right? Or you paint the living room, the agreeable gray, which is so popular, and the potential buyer is going to want to see blue. So we've got to make sure that the house shows well. We've got to make sure that everything is done and it's neat in appearance. But chances are, if we're looking to sell within the next 30 to 60 days, we may not get the money back out of the investment or the updates that we do. Just make sure that the house is clean and picked up. It shows well. Allow the buyer to see their own future in that home. I hope that helps. If it does, please like and subscribe below.